Basic Proverbs for Beginners. Honesty is the best policy. Always tell the truth. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get. Slow and steady wins the race. Work slowly but regularly for success. Health is wealth. Good health is more valuable than money. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A real friend helps you in trouble. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't decide by looks only. Where there is a will, there is a way. Strong willpower can solve problems. Time and tide wait for none. Don't waste time. It never comes back. United we stand. Divided we fall. Together we are strong. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. More simple Proverbs. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eating healthy keeps you fit. Better late than never. It's good to do something, even if late. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't depend on only one plan. Early bird catches the worm. People who start early succeed. Every cloud has a silver lining. There is hope in every problem. Look before you leap. Think before you act. Rome was not built in a day. Big things take time. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many people spoil the work. No pain, no gain. You must work hard to get success. All that glitters is not gold. Everything shiny is not valuable.